Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, I'm Hema and I don't know what I'm doing with my life, so okay, today I've decided I want to do this red smoky eye look that I stumbled across when I was looking up. Okay, yeah, I'll admit it, I look up what is 2020's best trends, blah blah blah, and according to Cosmopolitan, the magazine, not the drink, a red smoky eye is supposed to be a thing this year, so I had to figure out how to do it, and I will attach a picture somewhere on the screen to show you guys what I'm kind of modeling this look off of, and we're just gonna make it work with everything I have already in my collection, and let's get started. I've already done my base. Let's start with the eye look. So what I can tell is that the eye look is basically very prominently red, and it has quite a bit of shine to it, which will be an issue because I don't have any shiny red eyeshadows, but we're gonna make it work with everything that I have. And oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. Like, how do you have eyes like that, a nose like that, and lips like that? Okay, I'm sounding a little obsessive. Let's not be obsessive and move right into the look. I'm gonna start with Origin, the Hue Sticks by Live Tinted for a base. Since this is meant to be an eye product and it's a very true red, I feel like it'll just give the right kind of start to this look. This has become one of my favorite makeup products in the past few months, not even that long, like past few months. And oh my god, I am so proud of Deepika for creating this product. Okay, I know I look a little bit like a mess, but I just like the idea of creating an outline with this and moving right into the look. And then I'm just gonna smudge it out with my fingers. See, now you kind of already have a reddish base to work with. So I'm gonna take the red from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette and buff out the edges and intensify the red base for the smoky eye. Next, I'm taking the two deeper tones from the Makeup Revolution Fiercest Fire palette and just deepening up the crease, you know, just putting the color right into the socket. I love how it has a more pinky undertone and it adds so much more depth to this color combination. Next, I'm going to drag those two colors down to my bottom lash line just to start smoking it out. Next, I'm going in with the brown shade from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eye Contour Light and Shade palette. I'm going to use the small crease brush to place the pigment right into the outer V of my eye, and I'm going to repeat the same step with the darker brown from the same palette just to add layers of pigment and, you know, add a real good depth. And of course, I'm bringing it down to my bottom lash line. Next is a very important step in this look, and it's getting that actually shimmery lid. And the only thing I have to make that work is liquid eyeshadow, which I'm not the biggest fan of using, but we'll make it work. I am using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Ruby Heist. Ooh, I like that name. Does anyone want to join me on a Ruby Heist? I'm totally down. Actually, no, let's wait till I'm done with law school. I'm just going to top it off with a super sparkly pink eyeshadow just to get that shiny effect. And the eyeshadow I'm using is a ColourPop eyeshadow. I don't remember the name. And then we're gonna have to highlight our inner corners and our brow bone, which is vital for this look. From this picture, it looks like she's wearing a champagne-y highlight shade in her inner corners and not so much on her brow bone, but she and I have very different brow shapes, and I feel like I need it more than she does because I have like this space over here. So we will use this shimmery champagne shade from my ColourPop palette. I can't tell what the name is. Give me one second. Oh, the champagne shade from ColourPop that's called the Hidden Hill, and the pink tone that I put on my lid earlier is called Moscow Sunrise. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be Moscow Sunrise. Whatever. If you're Russian, please let me know how to say Moscow. This is very confusing times in my life. But I do really like all these pressed eyeshadows from ColourPop. They're beautiful. I need to get one of those handheld mirror thingies. I swear to God, the sun is being a little bitch today, and I am not having it. I am not having it. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with multiple coats of mascara. How many of you have boyfriends or guy friends that get super freaked out when you do this? Comment down below, because I really want to know. We're gonna finish up our face and then get to the lips, because the lips is, like, in my opinion, a big part of the look. So basically it's very glowy skin, and I'm trying to figure out what kind of blush she's wearing, but I'm really struggling. But there's definitely blush on her face. But we're just gonna go get a little more contour in and then figure out the blush situation. Okay, no amount of contouring will make me look like her. I'm fully aware of that, but I'm gonna try. I am going to go in with this bronzer just for like an all-over glow and to blend out the contour in a way that, you know, pulls everything together. And while we're at it, I'm gonna go in with the peachy blush from the e.l.f. blush palette in dark. I think that's the tone that will work best, so it's not super prominent but still gives me a glow. I'm gonna use the fluffy angled brush for this so that it's a very diffused, very natural look. We're gonna go into the lips, and I'm gonna use ColourPop lipsticks in Daydream, is it? Yes, in Daydream, as sort of a lip liner for the, you know, you can tell that her lips look shiny and lighter and poutier on the inside, and you know, so I'm gonna create that effect with this and something else. Also, my personal opinion, more lipsticks should be created in this shape and size. It makes it so much easier to apply. Then I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. Uh-oh. I think the color is called Babe Alert. I will check and confirm while I edit this video, but it's a very nice pink shade, which on a lighter skin tone will be a good nude. On me, it's a great chalky shade, so I'm gonna have to go in with some brow gel and setting spray, and then I will be done. I know my brows are technically already done, but there is something about adding brow gel at the end that I absolutely love. Like, it just fixes the look. It just makes it look stronger and more prominent, and I really like that, especially when I go for a bold eye look. And now that my face is done, I am going to, what is the word? I can't think of words. Oh, setting spray. So I let my hair down and changed and used the setting spray. Completely forgot to film the part where I was spraying on the setting spray. I am so great at what I do, like, oh my god. But clearly this is the finished look, and I absolutely love the way it looks. And because, I don't know, I would totally wear this. I'm digging the red on my skin tone, and it's cute. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you'll try this look, or if you have a variation on it that you want me to check out. Obviously, I used a crazy myriad of products here. They were from all over the place, but whatever works, right? And also, all the eyeshadows I used definitely made it look a lot more pink than red, so... But I don't know, I still really like it, and thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. This was absolutely fun to recreate. I hope you guys had fun watching me recreate this look, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!